Tonight, what happened inside the home of a Tampa police officer?
2 months ago, a friend of the officer's son was shot and killed. And tonight, 8 on your side's Marco Villarreal explains how the teenage boy got his hands on the officer's gun.
Well, good evening. This all was investigated by the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. Now the case has been handed over to the state attorney's office. I spoke with the attorney of the officer and his teen son. He tells me how that gun landed in the hands of 4 teens, discharged, and killed Bradley Hewlett.
His best friend died in this tragic accident.
Richard Escobar is talking about his teen client and his father, a Tampa police officer. December 13th, Bradley Hewlett was shot and killed inside the officer's home with his personal gun.
It was an accident that bullet was left in the chamber.
Explaining the officer's routine in removing the clip and bullet from the gun's chamber when leaving the home, he did not plan on his son bringing friends over to the house. 8 on your side is told the teen broke into his father's locked bedroom looking for a plunger. His friends followed and saw the gun in holster laying on a table in the bathroom.
The other kids see the gun, they become interested. The gun goes from the master bedroom into the other bedroom where the boys were playing.
The gun fired, the teens not knowing there was a round in the chamber. Escobar says there was no crime committed on the part of the officer or his teen son. He says the gun was stored correctly as required in the Safe Storage Act, meant to protect minors from getting to firearms.
The problem that many people are having is when someone passes away, it's hard to just walk away and say it's an accident.
The Hewlett family says they want answers to what happened that day and justice.
And if the evidence supported, the family would support the prosecution of anybody who violated Florida law.
And this is a very difficult tragedy for all the families involved. I'm told Bradley would have turned 16 this upcoming Tuesday. Keith?
That's just awful. Marco, could anyone else face charges as a result of this shooting, do you know?
Both attorneys are telling me that it's possible the teen that was holding the gun when it went off could face charges. That decision is now in the hands of the state attorney's office.
Marco Villarreal reporting live for us. Thank you.